How to fix a Wi-Fi option not showing up in Windows. So the first thing you can do is go over to your Wi-Fi icon at the very bottom right corner. So click on that, and where Wi-Fi is highlighted, go over to your airplane mode and click on that, and then turn your airplane mode on. So leave your airplane mode on for a couple of seconds and then turn it off again. So if that doesn't help, what you can do is go over to your search bar right here and go ahead and type CMD. So open this. So what you'll want to type is ping space 127.1.1.1 then space dash D. So when you enter this, if you get a reply, you can see here reply from, that means that your hardware is fine and the problem is in your settings. So you can close this and go over to your network and internet in your settings, and you can open your settings by going to Window and clicking on the setting icon right here. So you can see here there is a change adapter option, so go over to that one. So you can see here is a Wi-Fi, so if you right click on it and it is disabled, then make sure to click the enable button right here. So if yours is disabled, it will say enable here, and if it is enabled, go ahead and click on disable and go out of it and right click again and click enable. So the next thing you can do is go over to network troubleshooter right here at the bottom, and when you click on this, it will diagnose and fix the network problems for you. So as I don't have a problem, it's not showing me any solution. So what you'll have to do is once you click troubleshoot, it will show you try these repairs, where mine is saying these options. So it'll give you try these options, and when you click on it, go ahead and click on apply this fix after that, and then it will solve the problem for you. So that is how to fix a Wi-Fi option not showing up in Windows.